Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you transfer image Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 to iPhone and provide his UI. So simply open your Safari browser and go to search option, search set to AirDrop Net and simply open your any browser, like I'm open my Chrome browser. Okay, wait a few seconds, then automatically connect to device. So this Samsung connect to iPhone and iPhone connect to Samsung, and just transfer Samsung to iPhone. So select photo and video. Simply you just select photo, unlimited, audio, image, video. Click on to select. Okay, you need to just press on accept. And just press on to download. Okay. So go back, open my file apps and go to my download section and check out. I'm recently downloaded this. So that's it.